Hey, welcome back to my channel. 3M Speedglas 9100 Welding Helmet 060351 SW is discontinued by manufacturer? No. Product dimensions? 11.5 by 10.75 by 11.75 inches, 1.68 pounds. Item model number? 06-0300-51 SW. Manufacturer? Hornell Speedglas. Country of origin? Sweden. Domestic shipping, item can be shipped within US. International shipping, this item can be shipped to select countries outside of the US. Learn more. September 11, 2009. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.